Hi folks, we are in the port of Richards Bay in Kwa-Zulu Natal, South Africa, and we're making a video for Access World. Access World are the logistics professionals behind the shipping of this massive consignment from China to Zimbabwe. The freight load was massive and involved 27 extra heavy vehicles. I won't share with you all the details of total tonnage and mileage travelled, because this is just a fun behind the scenes video that we're making as a little preview, and with the real deal still on the edit desk. Whilst this is my own brief preview, the final video collaboration is between myself, Steve McCurrach, and colleague Clinton Gray. Our combined camera kit comprised a basket of camera equipment. There was a Sony Alpha 77 DSLR, a Canon D90, both with various microphones on them, a GoPro Hero 7, there was some DJI Spark footage, and my current favorite is the Insta360 1X. A fantastic little camera which allows me to get in tight on the action and with some refreshingly new and unique angles. It was actually fascinating to watch the logistics unfolding, with multiple hauliers sharing the load and numerous players and agencies, all of whom had worked combining to discharge this cargo and get it to Zimbabwe. The port of Richards Bay was chosen for its closer proximity to Zimbabwe than, let's say, the port of Durban, and Richards Bay also has much easier access onto the N2 motorway going north. Anyway, you watch this space for our later pro edit of the whole story. In the meantime, I'll let the pictures do the talking. Enjoy and cheers.